Did anybody tell you that information is right at your fingertips and just within reach? Or maybe you have heard someone say the phrase, knowledge is power. I'm sure this has happened to you. Ryan Gosling's new movie came out at the cinema, and you wondered how tall Ryan Gosling is. You quickly unlocked your phone, opened a web browser, and typed, Ryan Gosling, how tall, on that tiny search bar. Maybe not Ryan Gosling, but Harry Styles instead. There is a restaurant you want to try. And again, the impulse is to search their menu on the internet. Since you are already on the web, searching and stalking your favorite celebrities, finding good recipes, or walking around different towns through Google Maps, why don't you take advantage of this and earn money while browsing different sites? Something that you do every day and spend a lot of time on could be bringing money to your bank account. Keep on watching and I will show you the tips and tricks you have to know so you can earn online easily. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Another day, another video to help you reach your financial goals. We are here again with yet another easy way for you to earn online, and this time, we have something even easier for you. This will be a no-brainer, a walk in the park as they say. If you have your laptop or computer on and you are already ready to earn, let us jump straight to step 1 and let the earning begin. We guarantee you that you are already familiar with what step 1 is. You guessed it right! Step 1 is opening a web browser. Everybody has used Google Chrome at least once in their life or have heard of it before. It would be hard to dodge hearing or using a product from one of the world's biggest tech companies, if not the biggest. What we will be using today is a web browser similar to Google Chrome called Brave. To access and install Brave, just go to brave.com on the web browser you are currently using. Brave works exactly the same way as Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and other web browsers, and the best part is, you get to earn while you browse with Brave. That's right, cash will flow just by using a web browser. Do you now agree with us when we said that this video will provide you with ways to earn money by following a few simple steps? Stay with us as we still have a few tips up our sleeves. If you think this video will help you, comment down below and share your thoughts. For you to not miss out on new videos and uploads, click the notification bell, and while we are at it, hit like and subscribe too. What is the web browser you are using right now? Please don't say Internet Explorer. I mean, who still uses Internet Explorer today? Comment on the web browser that you think works best for you. And do you think Brave would be better? Would you be making the switch? Comment down below and join the conversation. Now, back to the video. If you enjoy being on social media platforms and following your favorite influencers and this is consuming your phone's battery these days, you will enjoy this activity more on Brave. According to Brave, the web browser provides more privacy, malware and phishing protection, cookie-less tracking, and more features that makes it far superior to other web browsers that exist in the market, calling the browser a super app. You can also import your bookmarks on your existing web browser in just 60 seconds. You can search the web, stream your favorite series, watch movies or videos on your favorite channels, and do everything else you can do on the other web browsers. But remember that with Brave, you get to earn money. Brave is also available to install on Android and iOS. So you know what to do. Open the App Store or Google Play Store to get more income just by using a web browser. Now you can scroll for hours guilt-free because the more you scroll, the more money comes to you with Brave. Brave sounds promising, doesn't it? Have you already installed the web browser? Do you think it is worth the switch from your current web browser to Brave? Tell us in the comment section below. Would you now be binge-watching Stranger Things on Brave? Are you watching a different series right now? Maybe a Korean drama? That would be great as well. Comment your series recommendations on the comment section down below. None of the Korean series that make you cry, please, cause I am always on the lookout for light and funny Korean series like Reply 1989 and Weightlifting Fairy Kim Bok-joo. If you're on otaku and into anime, what should we watch next if we like Demon Slayer? Drop your favorite series or movie in the comment section below. Let us see if there is anyone who has the same favorites as you. And if you haven't already, click the notification bell to ensure that you are updated on every upload. Hit like and subscribe if you are enjoying this video and would like to see more ways to generate income. Now, let's go back to the video. If you think we are done with providing you with ways to make money online, then you thought wrong. We have another one for you on this video and expect a lot more simple ways to earn cash on the next videos. Our last but definitely not the least for this video is the website called QMe. If you have reached this far on the video, then we hope you listened to us and installed Brave. Open Brave up for us to start with the next way for you to earn money. Once you have Brave opened, go ahead and enter www.qme.com on the address bar. Once you are on QMe, it will not be hard to know what the website is for with how easily it is to navigate the site. You can share your thoughts and opinions and shop with this amazing website called QMe, where you will gain cash reward. Yes, you heard it right. You will earn real cash and not just any prizes and none of those point system, but actual cash. Another great discovery for you with the website QMe. Stay with us to see what else QMe can offer, and you have our word that you won't be disappointed. Do you happen to have your own money saving hacks? Share that in the comment section below and let us save too. If you are enjoying this video, hit the notification bell for more. Like and subscribe if you think this video will help you in reaching your financial goals this year. Now, back to QMe with more exciting features. If you scroll down, you will find the three main features of what QMe can provide. The first one will be surveys. Businesses always want to hear from their clients to provide better services or products. They even use surveys to know what is working for their clients and customers. With QMe, you get to earn just by completing surveys in your own time at your own pace. The second one is cashback. Receive cashback on amazing products and watch the numbers on your bank account get a little higher with the help of QMe's cashback. The last one is deals. Discover deals and coupons on different brands like The Body Shop, Reebok, and more for you to save on your next purchase. QMe is really the website for every one of us who wants to earn and save money all at the same time. Now take note that QMe is only available in the following countries: UK, US, Canada, Australia, and France. But don't let this stop you from making money. There are a lot of VPNs available online that you can use and bridge you to earning more cash on QMe. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.